up in front of our deck, we do have the other freestanding rock formation. This one got the name Sugar Bowl Island, as H.H. Bennett thought it looked like an overflowing sugar bowl. But me personally, I don't really see that. I think it looks more like the back end of an elephant. To the left of our duck over there, you guys can see that big dead fallen down tree we have. I've actually nicknamed that tree the government tree because if you look very closely, you can see all the crooked branches. Over on the left-hand side, we do have our third freestanding rock formation of the day. This one got the name Twin Inkstands, as H.H. Bennett thought it looked like two inkstands he had sitting on his desk in his office. Now, Twin Inkstands actually acts as a natural compass, with the rock on the right pointing north and south, and the rock on the left pointing east and west, and it is only off by about 2 degrees. Now, Native Americans, they figured this out and use this as a natural way to guide themselves down the Wisconsin River. You guys might be wondering, how did they get back to the rock formation that they got lost? Well, they would pretty much just follow those power lines right there. Now you guys might be wondering, who is H.H. Bennett? H.H. Bennett was a man who served in the Civil War, where he accidentally shot his hand. After he shot his hand, he got discharged back here to the Wisconsin Dells, where he invented the first stop-motion camera. He took his stop-motion camera in a canoe down the Wisconsin River and took pictures of all these freestanding rock formations, which gave him the right to name them.